The aviation industry, a marvel of human ingenuity, thrives on precision and vigilance. Yet, a silent epidemic brews beneath the surface: burnout. This insidious condition, often overlooked or dismissed, poses a significant threat to the safety and efficiency of this vital industry. Burnout, characterized by emotional exhaustion, depersonalization, and a reduced sense of accomplishment, is not merely feeling stressed or tired. It's a state of chronic stress, often stemming from prolonged exposure to demanding or overwhelming work environments. In aviation, this translates to long hours, irregular schedules, and the immense responsibility of ensuring the safety of hundreds of lives. While the aviation industry boasts rigorous safety protocols and technological advancements, the human element remains paramount. Pilots, air traffic controllers, cabin crew, and maintenance personnel are all integral to the safe operation of every flight. However, these highly skilled professionals are not immune to the perils of burnout. In fact, their demanding roles and high-stakes environment make them particularly vulnerable. Burnout manifests in a myriad of ways, often subtle at first, but with potentially devastating consequences. Physically, it can lead to fatigue, insomnia, headaches, and weakened immunity. Mentally, it can impair cognitive function, leading to difficulty concentrating, making decisions, and managing stress. The implications for aviation safety and efficiency are profound. A fatigued pilot may experience delayed reaction times, impaired judgment, or an increased susceptibility to errors. Similarly, an overworked air traffic controller may struggle to process information quickly and accurately, potentially compromising the safety of the aircraft under their guidance. The consequences of burnout-induced errors can be catastrophic. History is replete with aviation incidents and accidents where fatigue played a contributing role. The need for adequate rest and the dangers of pushing human limits are lessons learned and relearned within the industry. Beyond the immediate threat to safety, burnout also takes a toll on efficiency. Burned-out employees are more likely to be absent, less productive, and less engaged in their work. This can lead to delays, increased costs, and a decline in service quality, factors that can damage an airline's reputation and bottom line. The aviation industry is not alone in grappling with the issue of burnout. It's a pervasive problem across many industries, particularly those requiring high levels of responsibility, long hours, and constant pressure to perform. Healthcare, finance, and technology are just a few examples. However, the stakes in aviation are arguably higher. A lapse in judgment or a moment of inattention in these other industries might lead to financial losses or setbacks. In aviation, the consequences can be far more severe. Section 4. A systemic issue. Addressing burnout in aviation requires a multifaceted approach that acknowledges the systemic nature of the problem. While individual coping mechanisms are important, they are insufficient without addressing the root causes within the industry itself. One crucial step is fostering a culture that prioritizes mental health and well-being. This includes promoting work-life balance, providing access to mental health resources, and encouraging employees to seek help without fear of stigma or repercussions. Airlines and aviation organizations must also implement policies that promote adequate rest and recovery. This includes realistic scheduling, fair compensation for overtime, and opportunities for breaks and time off. Additionally, technology can play a role in monitoring fatigue levels and alerting employees and management when intervention is necessary. Section 5. Charting a new course, from reactive to proactive. Moving forward, the aviation industry must shift from a reactive to a proactive approach to burnout. This requires investing in research to better understand the specific factors contributing to burnout within aviation and developing targeted interventions. Open communication and collaboration between management, employees, and regulatory bodies are essential. Creating a culture where employees feel comfortable reporting concerns and suggesting improvements is crucial. By acknowledging the problem, understanding its root causes, and implementing effective solutions, the aviation industry can mitigate the risks of burnout and create a safer and more sustainable future for everyone. Ignoring burnout is not an option. The well-being of aviation professionals and the safety of the flying public depend on it. By prioritizing mental health and well-being, the industry can ensure that the skies remain a safe and efficient mode of transportation for generations to come.